The next topic that we are going to study in this lecture is reference variables. Now, what are these reference variables? Do we find reference variable in C also? No, right? So, this concept of reference variable, you will find it only in C++. So, this reference variable is the alias name given to a variable. For example, now suppose I consider a student, his name is John. Okay. So, when he is at home, his parents might be calling him with a pet name, right? So, the pet name given by his parents to John is an alias name to John. So, John may be having another name also. So, that another name which is given to John is a reference name. So, also in C++, variables can have a alias name or a reference name. Okay. So, if you make any changes to the reference name, then it will definitely change your actual name. Then it will definitely change the value of the actual variable. For example, let me take a variable A. His value is 5. Now, I want to give another name to this variable A. So, I want to give a name B to this variable A. So, how will I do that? Just declare that variable B, int B. But since it is a reference variable, always precede it with the symbol ampersand. Okay. So, I have declared a variable, a reference variable B, which is preceded with the symbol ampersand. And then I equate it to the variable to which it is referring to. So, B is referring to which variable? A. So, I say equal to A. So, now if I change the value of B from to 6, A value also changes to 6. Okay. And always remember that a reference variable should always be initialized. Now, for example, let me declare, before that let me remove these stuffs here and declare a variable A. Along with a variable A, let me also declare a reference variable B. So, I precede it with the ampersand symbol and equate it to the variable A, indicating that B is a reference name for A. Okay. So, now B is another name given to variable A. It's a reference variable. Now, suppose I change the value of B to 10. What will happen now? A value also will change because B and A are referring to the same variable. Okay. So, suppose now I print the value of A. What do you expect? What would be the output? The output would be 10, right? Why? Because B value has changed to 10. B is referring to A. That means A value has changed from 5 to 10. So, if I see the output here, the output is 10. Although A value was 5, I am not getting the output as 5. Why? Because B, who is the reference variable of A, has changed its value from 5 to 10 and hence A value has also changed. Okay. So, like this you can declare a alias name for a variable. Okay. And always remember, this reference variable should always be initialized. For example, let me declare a reference variable B. Okay, I am getting an error here. Why is that? Because I have not initialized that reference variable. This reference variable has to be always initialized. I cannot declare a reference variable b and keep it as it is. I have to initialize it with some variable. Okay, remember that. See here, I get an error saying that reference variable b requires an initializer. Okay, so I initialize it to variable a. Now imagine I have another variable c whose value is 8. And now I'll take this reference variable b and equate it to c. Is this possible? No, right? That means one reference variable cannot point to more than one variables. So I cannot give this reference name b to many different variables. Okay, so this is wrong. So I am getting an error here saying expression must be a modifiable L value. Okay, so this is not possible. One reference name cannot be given to many variables. Okay, one more thing, can I have many reference name to one given variable? For example, one person can have many pet names. Yes, maybe the student John may be called something else in college, maybe he must be called something else at home, right? So one person can have many nicknames. Similarly, one variable can have many reference names. For example, let me declare another reference variable d and equate it to a. So a is having two reference name here, b and d. This is valid, but it is not possible that two variables have the same reference names. Okay, this is all about reference variables.